Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and welcome to the training lesson Trend Follower Indicator. In this lesson, we're going to go over the Trend Follower Indicator and see what role it plays and how to use it with the Profiteer system. So the Trend Follower Indicator is very responsive to current price activity with little lag and provides superior curve smoothness with the gradient, that's the angle, providing a representation of the strength of the move. So very simply, the indicator is green when the average price is going up, and the indicator is red when the average price is going down. So let's have a look at the indicator. You can see here when it's red, it's going down, green, it's going up, red, green, red. So obviously it wasn't quite perfect here, but nothing is in trading. Green up, red down, green up, red down. Again, a failed move to the upside. Red down, green up, and red down. So think of it as a customized moving average. It's proprietary to ourselves, and if you recall, I've mentioned before, the trend is your friend until the end when it bends, and the trend follower is epitomizes that guideline to trend trading, and you can really use this on its own, and it's really quite reliable. Of course, it's just one element in the Profiteer system, and they should all be taken into consideration for the best probability of consistent success. Now, the angle does have an effect as well. You can see these are nice bell curve kind of, and it's not always that way. Sometimes you'll see flat, flat green, and then it's more flat red. But we'll go over all of these on a case-by-case basis. But essentially, one of the fundamental rules of Profiteer trading is that if you're selling, the trend follower must be red, and if you're buying, the trend follower must be green. It doesn't just it doesn't have to be that it's just changed. However, the way Profiteer is tuned for all of the indicators to work in harmony together, that is often the case. It's usually within a few bars of all the other indicators lighting up and giving you a signal for a buy or a sell. So when the indicator changes from green to red, it suggests that the rising price is slowing and a fall in price is possible. And conversely, when the indicator changes from red to green, it suggests that the falling price is slowing and a rise in price is possible. So just going back to this chart here, you can see when it changes from green to red, it's suggesting that price is experiencing some fatigue, it's exhausting its rally, and it's going to fall. And also when it changes from red to green, it's suggesting that the drop in price has been possibly exhausted and that price is going to rise. That's as simple as it gets, but a very, very, very powerful indicator. And again, in harmony with the rest of the indicators for the Profiteer system, makes it extremely accurate. The trend follower indicator can be used on its own, as I mentioned before, to follow trends, and no trades should be executed against this trend following indicator. In other words, if the trend follower is displayed as green, it is expected that the average price will continue to rise. Only long/buy trades should be considered, and entry for short or sell trades should not be taken. And if the trend follower is displayed as red, it is expected that the average price will continue to fall. So only short sell trades should be considered, and entry for long or buy trades should not be taken. So it's not just about taking trend trades, but also swings within a trend. And just like with the trends, the rule is that you shouldn't take a swing within a trend unless the trend follower is either red for sells or green for buys. Alrighty, that concludes this lesson on the trend follower indicator. I've got a couple of tasks as usual underneath this lesson that I'd like you to do, and some FAQs under that. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see a link to the forum and the section of the forum which relates to this particular lesson. So as always, don't be shy to ask questions, and we'll go over this indicator as well on a case-by-case basis and in the webinars on a weekly basis. So till next time we meet, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.